to the place where the laughter flows.
Hi superstars! Hello my bright brainies! Welcome back to Brainy Bubbles Academy with Mrs. Alberta, the magical place where smart kids grow even smarter, one colorful bubble at a time. In our last video we learned the amazing 10 times table. And guess what? We've been on an exciting multiplication adventure. We've explored the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 times tables. Wow! What a journey so far! If you're new here, welcome aboard the Brainy Bubbles Super Learning Ship. And if you're one of our returning superheroes, I am super happy to see you again. Are you ready? Are you excited? Alright superstars, buckle up. Tighten your thinking caps and get ready to shine. Because today, we are diving into the amazing 11 times table. Let's go.
11 times table, watch the numbers soar. The perfect partner's knocking at your door. Double the digit, it's easy and bright. Let's learn the 11 times table and get it right. 11 times 1 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22. 11 times 3 is 33. 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times high is 55. 11 times 6 is 66. 11 times 7 is 77. 11 times 8 is 88. 11 times 9 is 99. 11 times 10 is 110. 11 times 11 is 121. 11 times 12 is 132. Then Mrs. Alberta says, look at that twin set. The double numbers you won't forget. 11, 22, 33, 44. Multiplication facts, we know some more. 11 times table, we're doing great. Learning the facts before it gets too late. Brainy Bubbles loves the bounce and the rhyme. You're mastering math one step at a time. 11 times 5 is 55. 11 times 6 is 66. 11 times 7 is 77. 11 times 8 is 88. 11 times 9 is 99. 11 times 10 is 110. 11 times 11 is 121. 11 times 12 is 132.
And we have come to the end of today's fun-filled lesson. Superstars, you did amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with your friends. Keep bubbling with knowledge. And I'll see you next time at Brainy Bubbles Academy with Mrs. Alberta. See you next time. Goodbye, my brilliant students.
Bubble, goodbye, it's time to leave. We learned, we smiled, we made new friends. With messy hair, but we grew so bright. Brainy Bubbles shine so well in sight. Stay smart, stay kind, keep that joyful heart. Bubble energy will never let depart. Early school with